During their recent Q1 report, Chewy's CEO, Sumit Singh, stated AutoShip subscription service is a major pillar of strength. Sales from AutoShip customers are outpacing overall growth, now making up a record 82% of total revenue. This subscription model is clearly resonating with pet owners, providing convenience and fostering loyalty. But that's not all. Chewy's hard goods segment, which had previously lagged, saw a remarkable 12.3% year-over-year growth. The company attributes this uptick to refreshed product assortments and improved inventory management. They also reported an increase in active customers, reaching 20.8 million, a 3.8% year-over-year growth. This can be attributed to higher gross customer additions and lower churn rates, thanks to ongoing investments in marketing and a broader product selection. Moving ahead, the company is focused on expanding Chewy vet care clinics and the Chewy Plus membership program. These initiatives aim to deepen customer loyalty and broaden revenue streams. With 11 locations across 4 states already, Chewy vet care clinics are generating demand and contributing to broader ecosystem engagement. Chewy's management expects recurring revenue streams and new verticals like veterinary care to drive growth while maintaining margin discipline. They're optimistic about the potential for sponsored ads and private brands to contribute to gross margin improvements. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.